Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And just so you know, that's all we use. Today's contestant is a 2016 F350 with 120,000 miles. It was brought to me for, and these DTCs. Exhaust brake input circuit intermittent or erratic, and fuel trim, bank 1, and an invalid data received from brake system control module A. So yeah, I've never gotten, well, I should say this DTC, but I have gotten this one before, and I want to show you what we have to do to resolve that. There's a technical service bulletin saying that some 2015 or 2016 Super Duties equipped with a 6.7 and this DTC, we need to reprogram the PCM with the most current level software available. So that is what we're going to do to resolve the P0170, and then when it's done, we're going to let the customer know that there is going to be a relearning process for the transmission, and until it keeps driving and learns how the customer drives, then it will get improved over, I would say maybe 50 to 100 miles. So, alright, we are going to do that, but the other DTC, I want to show you a little bit of the diag that I had to go through to figure out what was going on with that other one. So right now, this vehicle is equipped with an exhaust brake, and what happens is there is a strategy in the PCM that will actually change the way the turbo functions to act as an exhaust brake. So not only are we building boost in the turbo, but we're also going into a different strategy that's going to allow the vehicle to slow the engine speed. And the DTC was this P04D7. And is it present? We answer yes. Okay. Ignition on, engine off. Press the press the engine brake switch, and it wants to know, does the exhaust brake PID state change when the brake switch is depressed? Alright, I'm gonna hit it and watch it. Now it changes, now it doesn't. Well, when I was testing this, it was not working. Let's see if I can get it to not work. Okay. We got nothing here. Alright, so that's what we wanted. Okay, the next part in that pinpoint test is EB3. Loading, okay. So it wants us to disconnect this connector. I'm gonna show you guys where you access it. Okay, you see that little slot? We're just gonna kind of pop that out like that. Oh, hold on. Here's the electrical connector right here. Okay, so we disconnected that. Now it wants us to check power at this bottom pin. Went ahead. I've already got my power probe hooked up. So all we're gonna do is just go ahead and stick our probe in here. See what we got. Okay, we got good power. So we answering the question, is it above 10.5 volts? We're going to answer yes. Okay. So our next question it's going to ask us is measure the resistance of the component side. So we're going to take the switch out and we're going to measure between pins 2 and 6 and see if the switch is moving, or indicating that it is doing something. So to take the switch out, all we have to do is to press these two tabs on the side. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Okay, I've got my meter. I've got the pins on 6 and 2, and it wanted to know, are we open circuit with it not depressed, and is it under 5 ohms with it depressed? I'm getting nothing from my button. Okay? Nothing. So I've already went and taken a switch out of another truck just to double check, because I've never had this issue before. So again, here we are with the switch not depressed, and now we are going to depress the switch. That is what it's supposed to do. It's under 5 ohms, so we know this switch is good. Switch is good and making continuity. So we know right now we're gonna have to order one of these and get it installed. So conclusion, if anybody has a Power Stroke with an exhaust brake on it and it has a check engine light on for that related DTC, then it may be a good bet that you might have a bad switch. And also another telltale sign is the indicator didn't come on the dash either. So alright you guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching.